Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Review Lab. Today I am going to talk in this video about best remote control boats that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Remote Control Boats. There's never been a better time to get into this thrilling RC toy hobby. Modern RC toy boats are safer, more durable. You can find great radio-controlled boats for kids as young as 6 and as old as 14, or even older. With so many great RC vehicle choices to pick from in the modern market, it can be hard to find the remote-controlled toy boat that's the best choice for your kids. Number 5. Mostop HJ806 RC Boat 2.4 GHz high-speed remote control racing boat. 2.4 GHz high-frequency RC system supports multiplayer competition without interference. Main features: various functions, powerful magnetic motor, waterproof and anti-impact. Number 4. RC Motor Boat for Kids, JJRC S9 Remote Control Boats. The RC boat-equipped water sensor will not be powered on unless the bottom of the boat have contacted with water, which prevents being cut by the propellers. Main features: 20 minutes long battery life, easy to operate, safety design. Number 3. Gizmovine Remote Control Boats. Infrared remote control to control kids' boat toy forward, backward, turn right or left. Remote control boat for pools and lakes. Let all the kids experience the fun of remote control. Main features: waterproof design, easy to control, water detection and rechargeable battery. Number 2. SEJJX 2-in-1 RC Boat. The speed of this RC boat is up to 10 km per hour, and the control distance can be up to 50 meters. Double propeller is used to make the RC boat sail more smoothly. Main features: waterproof cover design, high speed and long control distance, high quality material. Number 1. Remote Control Boat Sharkpool H106 RC Self-Riding Racing Boats. The 4-channel 2.4 GHz transmitter lets you find your own signal while racing other boats. Main features: 180 degrees capsize recovery, low battery reminder, water cooling system. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.